Hello guys, you're welcome back to your favorite channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment. So guys, I've got an interesting gist for you today. So last night was a Love Damini live concert in Lagos. So the show was supposed to begin at about 6 p.m. but due to the sound issue they had, the show started at about 3 a.m. So fans were tired, they were frustrated with what was going on because they expected to see their favorite Burnaboy on stage early, but because of the issue, Burnaboy didn't come out on time. So that was how it went down. So it caused a little fracas between Burnaboy and his fans. So yesterday, Burnaboy poured out his heart to the fans, where he told them that some of them were fond of abusing him and his mom. He continued by saying Nigerians accused him of killing someone at Cubana, and also insinuated that his mom was one of the dancers for Fela and all sort of things, also saying that some politicians also tried to end his career, but it's all love, and he's here. He waited back to perform to the fans because he knows that they want him to perform and they love him, so he holds nothing against Nigerians. That's why he's here to perform. That's why he's staying back. That if it wasn't for Sheyi vibe, that he would have left since. So that was what went down. Let me leave you now to enjoy the video.
I don't dare since now. Sound don't walk. Just to show you, say I still love Bona. And if I'm not going to lie for you, if not be Sheyi vibe, say, I forgot the glass. Nah. But I dare here with you now. After I don't talk, say I keep person for Kibana. After I don't talk, say my mama dance for Fela. After I don't, oh Allah, I still love you now. Why I dare here? So if you like, don't love me. I'm going to punish you. Tell me what you see when you look at me. My problem is that you don't see who power ya pakata. Shopanga, you go shopanga. And suba. Again, I just to minimize the pain wey una dey cause me. You dey feel am? I dey lie? If I dey lie right now, make God punish me. If I don't dey lie, make God punish you. You agree? You don't agree, Abi? You see am? Say Burnaboy, Joe. Say my fucking name. I know say I deserve am. Because if now you be me, you no go come back. Don't be lying, don't be lying. I dey lie? Don't be lying. I dey lie? Because I know say everybody here dating, everybody on social media. We're old. Fucking national news TV, they talk lie. They don't even know what's in the apple. And when I still they laugh there, but I don't know say that serious thing. This was my life. They feel end my life because of rubbish. Don't be lying. Did they feel that? Life you know easy, my brother. You dey find your own. I find my own. If I dey keep to my distance, they are butcher. And when I get better news about you, I smile and it dey ginger my soul. I dey feel your struggle. I don't feel best for you. I don't feel best for you.
Keep watching.